It became known when the new iPhone SE2 will be launched. The new smartphone from Apple will be available in March 2020. The new iPhone SE2 will be launched in January 2020, and it will be possible to buy a budget smartphone in March. This is reported by the weekly magazine with a link. Externally, the new smartphone will be similar to the iPhone 8, but will receive the hardware base of the iPhone 11, a single-chip Apple A13 Bionic system and 3 GB of RAM. There will be no 3D touch on the phone, but a 4.7-inch LCD with a resolution of 1334 x 750 pixels will appear on the smartphone. The smartphone will be released in colors of space gray, silver, and red, and with 64 and 128 GB of flash memory. Tentatively, the price of the device will be $399.